My goodness, sounds like rocks there. South Florida is not the only area experiencing severe weather this week. You just heard heavy hail falling in Claremont near Orlando. It was so strong, some people even reported damage to their homes and windows. I can imagine. It sounds terrible.
Yeah, and here at home, it's another impact weather day. First warning, meteorologist Sandra Shaw joins us now. And Sandra, are we going to see anything like that here?
Hopefully not as intense, but we do have the possibility of hail. It's in the profile. We saw it Monday. Monday was the worst day with this, but we saw some last night. It's going to be more along the lines of late this afternoon and tonight. So most of your day, if you're planning things, so we're doing impact, you'll be fine. But it's about 5 o'clock onward where you really need to make those extra time allotments and really just be ready for it. We're going to get those possibility of severe storms again in play. Delray Beach looking fine this morning. The ocean isn't too churned up, even though look tall the skies are. So as we make our way through, it's going to be all right. But by this afternoon late, that slight risk really is most prominent here on the Treasure Coast, a couple of spots, maybe 1 or 2 cells in Palm Beach County as well. So live radar, though, right now, very quiet. Things look good. We still have a lot of excess energy and moisture to work with, so it doesn't take a lot of a trigger to really unleash the atmosphere. And that's one of the dynamics and the things of why it's been so stirred up lately. There's also a stalled frontal boundary, and until it completely gets out of here, another system behind it, not until in the weekend will we really start to turn the corner with some drier air. We're in the mid 60s around Lake Okeechobee, upper 60s here on the Treasure Coast, down into Hobe Sound 69, Juneau Beach in the upper 60s. It's 70 in Delray Beach, Boynton Beach, down into Highland Beach and Boca 69. Good morning, Wellington. Your 12-hour forecast day planner is looking okay until about noontime or so. This afternoon we'll start to see 1 or 2 showers, downpours, and then the storms really firing on all cylinders between about 3 p.m., 7, 8 o'clock tonight with that 50 and 60% coverage. Here's what it looks like. This is one of our future track models. I showed you an aggressive sort of bullish future track model earlier. This one is much more reserved, which is why I think it's going to be kind of a split of these. So Port St. Lucie, Indiantown, you're seeing some storm cells. You'll see more in inland Palm Beach County as we head into the nighttime hours. So you split the difference between the more aggressive model and this model, and you get a pretty good synopsis of what's going to happen. 1 or 2 isolated severe storms most likely. Future track showing 11 o'clock tonight, things starting to turn the corner, but only temporarily. We may have a drier day tomorrow, but then this other huge system is moving through with a lot of moisture. Again, the flow from the southwest picking up all that Gulf rain as well. So it'll be unsettled, the best way to describe it, through at least the first half of your weekend. If you're beach and boating today, storms are the hazards. Remember, if it roars, head indoors. You do not want to be on the beaches if we see that kind of lightning like last night. I mean, it is so risky. The rip current risk is moderate. We have southeast winds at 10 knots. Here's that certified, most accurate first warning 7-day forecast. So in the evening, we have the shower and storm potential highest 85, 86 for tomorrow, 30% coverage of storms, 50% again, kind of revving it up on Friday, 90. So the hotter it gets, the more destabilization we get, the more unstable the air is in the atmosphere to ignite the storms, which we'll see again Saturday afternoon and Sunday afternoon, but more garden variety. And then we finally dry out, it looks like, on Tuesday after a steaming hot weekend, Yasmin, 94 expected by Sunday.